Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing work on this mandolin. I'm going to be tightening up any loose seams in the body that may have come apart when I was taking off the neck. I'm going to be gluing back on the fretboard. I'm going to be working on the heel to adjust the angle of the neck. And then I'll show you a trick I recently learned to clamp an odd-shaped item, like a mandolin. So, if any of this sounds of interest to you, stick around. I'll be right back. Just going to go and glue back the body, some of the places that are pretty loose. You can see there's separation right here. Hopefully not making a mess. Small little separation here in the binding. So I get some glue down there. Now I know I had some separation back here. See, there's a little gap here. I don't know if I can do anything about that though. I cannot flex that in there. It's just something that either happened over time or it was made that way. But I gotta get a little spot started to get a wedge in there. Let's try to get one more in here. I got a little fish glue. I'll start by getting some water down in that seam. The water obviously will run right in there and hopefully carry the glue down with it. I can see glue squeezing out, so let me get some clamps on here. It starts about here to there, so let me get this one right in the center. Okay, let's go ahead and let that dry for at least a couple hours. Just want to get this fretboard ready to glue back to this neck. I want to get it in the right position. Contemplating whether I should put little locator pins or not. I'm just wondering if I get some glue on here, is this going to want to walk around on me? I think I can clamp it, still make it work. I already went ahead and scraped all the glue off these surfaces. All right, I think I'm set up to get this fingerboard glued on. Got some fish glue, got a brush, need some water. I have some clamps, some cawls. Actually, I don't want it at the extension. I didn't account for that, so I'm going to do, draw a little line here and wipe off this section. Don't be here. We got a clamp on here. This is why this is so difficult. Look at that, how it just wants to walk on me. I have no idea if that's where it needs to be or not. Let's see. You know what? That's pretty damn good. Somehow. I'm just looking at this one side right now. I'm kind of in amazement that that worked out. That's why I'm sitting here contemplating whether I did something wrong, because it seems a little too easy. I think that's good though. Let's see. I'll put one at the heel. Didn't want to leave it in there in case something happens. This looks pretty good. I got some glue squeeze out under here to clean up, and then just a little clean up on the sides. The lineup is pretty good. Let me clean it up and then see how it fits on the body. I got this idea from my buddy Scott over at Harpeth Guitar Restoration. He's got a channel on YouTube. Check him out. But this is where I first saw somebody using this material, and I thought this would be a great idea for this. So I'm going to take some of this moldable plastic. This, you keep it in hot water for a couple of minutes, and it gets moldable and it dries rock hard, and it conforms to any shape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it at the end of my clamp here, kind of wrap it around the seat. I'm going to push it into the heel. So now that's going to conform to the shape of the heel and the clamp and allow me to put some pressure on the heel. Gonna let that dry. I'm gonna let that set up for a good 15 minutes or so. When that gets perfectly white and opaque, it'll be solid. And okay, I don't know if I showed my setup, how I'm checking this neck angle. This is after many attempts at pulling sandpaper, sanding, carving out the heel, sanding, checking, carving out the heel, sanding, carving, checking, 25 sandpaper, swipe. Now I'm just clearing the bridge. Caught it right there. I think I got to do a few more.